In this video, we will create Contour Segmentation Objects, CSOs, and learn the general modules necessary for drawing different contour shapes. Add a local image and a view 2D to your workspace and connect them. Whenever you are working with CSOs, you need a CSO Manager module to set parameters for contours and CSO groups, as well as for maintaining the togetherness of CSOs and CSO groups in a CSO list. You also need a CSO View 2D CSO Extensible Editor to manage attached CSO editors and renderers and to offer an optional default renderer for all types of contours. The first contour we are going to create is a rectangle. Add a CSO Rectangle Editor and connect it to the CSO View 2D CSO Extensible Editor. Open your View 2D and draw contours via left mouse button. If you now open the CSO Manager, you will see a list of created CSOs and their properties. You can give a CSO a name, for example. Now, add a CSO Visualization Settings module to your workspace and connect it to your CSO Rectangle Editor. The panel allows you to define visualization settings applied to all of your CSOs automatically. In this case, we define a color and a style to our contours. CSO visualization settings are applied to all contours available in the CSO Manager. Exchange the CSO Rectangle Editor with another editor, for example the CSO Polygon Editor. Now you can draw polygon-shaped CSOs. The visualization settings defined before are kept. MeVisLab provides editors for points, angles, arrows, distance lines, ellipses and many more. You can play around with them and see the differences. The general principles remain the same. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.